Hello, friends. Have a nice day. So far, we have studied some English portions, how to speak English, towards which the basic lessons are being taught. So last week we have seen the forms of the verbs, and you are advised and requested to make some 5 forms of verbs. Hope you must have written down some 5 forms of verbs. I will repeat. Let us take 5 forms of the verb. Let us take goes. First form, second form is go, third form is going, fourth form is went, fifth form is gone. Now let us take. So I am not telling that. You have to think that in present form of verb there are two. One is ending with yes. So that is used with singular nouns and pronouns mostly. He goes, we can say. She goes. It eats. Go is used with mostly plural noun. And the exception is I and you. That we have to remember. With you, we have to use that plural only. You go. We cannot say that it is singular since goes. No. We have to use you go. Like that, I only. I singular pronoun. So we have to use I go. And this goes can be used with he, she, it. Their pronouns. And go can be used with they. So like that there is a variation. Now which one to be used with which one? See, you have to remember for that first person, second person and third person. So first person is I. You take this in this way. I, we. This is first person. You, second person. When I am talking with another person is second person. So you, second person is there. With you we have to use go only, not goes. And third person is it. Point out your finger. Third person. It. He. She. When we are talking to a person, we will tell he, she, it, they. So there are 4 types of pronouns. You know what is pronoun? When word is used in place of noun, that is called pronoun. When we can say that Radhakrishnan, instead of saying Radhakrishnan, we have to say he. We can use Hema Malini, but instead of saying Hema Malini, we can say she. Mouse, it, we can say. So we have to remember with which we can use this singular form of verb. Verb has no singular form and plural form. Verb is an action. So with the pronoun we have to use these verbs we have to correctly think and use. Now more verbs of 5 forms I will tell you. So the chart you know. Present form of verb, singular, plural. Present participle, it will end in ing. Past form of verb, that is the 4th form, went. Past participle is gone. So it happened in the past. Half past, not completed like that, or completed. Mostly it is completed as a participle. So I will give more examples in the same pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let us take laugh. So first form is laughs. Second form is laugh. Third form is laughing. Fourth form is laughed. Fifth form is also laughed. Another example we take talk. Now I am talking. Talks, first form. Second form is talk. Third form is talking. Fourth form is talked. Fifth form is talked. Another example we can see. Knows, K-N-O-W-S. He knows, we say, no? Knows, know, knowing, knew, K-N-E-W, knew. Then fifth form is known. Another example, let us take. Smile, smiles, smile, smiling, smiled, smiled. 5 forms. Another verb we can take. Begins, begins, begin, beginning, began, begun. So these are the 5 forms. Now let us take does. Does is a auxiliary verb, and it can be used also main verb. He does the work. So first form is does, second is do, third is doing, fourth is did, fifth form is done. Another example we can take. Jumping, jumps, first form jump, jumping, jumped, jumped. Now another form. Running, runs, run, running, ran, run. So 5 forms are there. In this way you have to remember these verbs. So last, past and past participle, that is fourth form and fifth form. Sometimes it will be same, sometimes it will not be same. Suppose says, say, saying, said, said. See, past form of verb and past participle form of verb both are same. The past participle is fifth form, past form of verb is fourth form. This you have to remember for easy usage. Only I am putting the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that you have to write down. You have to remember, when I say number 3, it is a present participle. When I say 2, present form of verb, plural. They go. See, they is plural, no? So they go. And the first form means what? Goes. Like that you have to use. He goes, she goes. Like that you have to use. And when I say fourth form is past form of verb. Went. That is fourth form. And fifth form is past participle. That is gone. So like that you may make so many sentences. As you know, pronouns we have to use. There are mainly, how many pronouns are there to easily speak? I and we, first person pronoun. And you, second person pronoun. Now I, we, then you, then third person pronouns. He, she, it, they. So there are 4. Then second person 1 you, and first person I and we. So total there are main 7 type of pronouns are there. Pronouns. I, one pronoun, we, 2, then second person you, third person he, she, they, it. So these are the 7 pronouns. So with these 7 pronouns, we should try to use the verb. Then we will correctly know how to write and how to speak. Now I will use I go, we go, you go, she goes, he goes, it goes, they go. So 7 pronouns are used with the help of verbs. So next class we'll give more details about this. Thank you very much. Keep studying, enjoy, don't take any tension, live happily, do some exercise daily, read good newspapers. Okay, bye. Thank you. Bye bye. Also, I request you to like this and share this and subscribe to this. Bye.